The following message has been transmitted by New York City Police Department. At 4:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an unknown suspect was known roaming around in downtown area of New York City. The suspect was unidentified. However, multiple calls were reported about the unidentified suspect. It is currently unknown if the suspect is a danger to the public. The police will be moderating the suspect if the suspect starts attacking the civilians in New York City. It is advised to stay indoors until further notice.
"911, what's your emergency?"
I identified the suspect.
What was the suspect?
Piggy.
Can you describe Piggy?
Piggy is pink with a red dress, standing 6 feet and 1 inch, with a baseball bat with one black eye and one red eye. This creature is pig-like as well. Piggy looks like Peppa Pig. Piggy is from the game Piggy Roblox. Piggy is known to be aggressive.
Okay, we'll issue the alert.
The following message has been transmitted by New York City Police Department. This is an update to the previous alert sent out 40 minutes ago. The suspect was now identified as Piggy according to people on Twitter and Instagram and one person who called 911. Piggy is pink with a red dress, standing 6 feet and 1 inch, with a baseball bat, with one black eye and one red eye. This creature is pig-like as well. Piggy looks like Peppa Pig. Piggy is from the game Piggy Roblox. Piggy is known to be aggressive in the game and will attack anyone in her path. It is advised to lock doors and windows and stay inside. The following message has been transmitted at the request of Centers for Disease Control. At 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a disease was spotted in the downtown area of New York City. 7 cases of the new virus were reported. The origin of the disease is confirmed. If you need to go outside, wear a mask. The following message has been transmitted by New York City Police Department. At 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, people who got infected were turned into piggies. The disease is transmitted when the piggy attacks its victim and bites them. Once you've been bitten, there is no way to stop the process of the mutation. It takes 5 to 7 hours before the infected person mutates into a piggy. These piggies were roaming around in downtown area of New York City. It is advised to stay indoors. following message has been transmitted by New York City Police Department. At 5:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Piggy has attacked 400 people in New York. The piggies have been spreading all over East Coast. Everyone who got infected were turned into piggies. The virus has no longer airborne, but still infect you if one or more piggies attack you. The president will make an announcement. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of myself, United States government. I regret to inform all my fellow Americans that the east side of our country is under attack by very hostile pig-like creatures. It started off from a real pig that had a virus which is called Piggy virus. The rest of the piggies were humans who got infected by Piggy. These piggies will attack anyone they see in their path. They attack their victims by using baseball bats and then biting them, giving them the virus. We are looking for the cure for the Piggy virus to cure everyone. My fellow Americans, good luck surviving this crisis.
That was a message from the president. We are now resuming our programming. The following message has been transmitted by the White House. This is an all-clear signal. The unidentified person and the president found the cure. Everyone who got infected have turned back to normal. The pig who had a virus injected in them turned back to normal and has been taken to the lab. It is safe to come out of your shelters. However, there has been major damage all over major cities of the East Coast. It will take years to repair all the damage. The government thanks you for the cooperation.